Hello everyone, I'm Big Solo and welcome here. This morning I have a message for you, okay? My message is success has no deadline, okay? Success has no deadline. The only person that can prevent you from becoming successful is one certain wicked man. That man is called death. That man is called death. So as long as you are alive, watching my video right now, no matter your current situation, trust me, you have to believe in yourself. Keep going, believe in yourself, because the day you are waiting for could be tomorrow. People become successful at their age of 50s, 60s, some people even 70s. Now my question is, how old are you that sometimes you think that it is not possible for you to become successful? That place you want to be, that position you want to be, a lot of people are already there. They have two hands like this. They have 2 ears like this. They have nose like you. They have 2 ears like this. So what is preventing you from being there? The reason is that your time is not yet. You have not gotten the opportunity to be there. As long as you are still alive, tomorrow could be the day you have been waiting for. My name is Big Solo. If you want to join our daily motivation channel, hit that subscribe bell and become our member of daily motivation. Motivation is like a breakfast. When you take breakfast in the morning and you go to the office, whatever you are going to work, you can work for a certain period of time before you take in heavy food. Motivation is like a breakfast. When you are motivated every morning, you can have a strong energy. You can have some kind of a zeal to go out there, and you can believe in yourself that you can also become successful. I repeat, success has no deadline. Trust the process. Believe in yourself. Try other things. If A didn't work, try B. If B didn't work, try C. Do not develop the spirit of I cannot do it. Do not develop the spirit of it is not possible. Do not develop the spirit of it is too difficult. Nothing is easy. Success is for few people, and you are among those people. Thank you. Follow our YouTube channel. Keep moving. See you at the top.